Content creative life with the fua. Ebane vlogs are life with the fua. Skincare routine life with the fua.
Hi guys, let me introduce you to this face mask that has been helping me to glow my skin, brighten my skin and repair all my skin problems. The good thing is all the ingredients are found in your kitchen. You don't need to buy any expensive face mask. None of the ingredients is expensive and it works like magic. So we will need a container if you need to store some for future use. We will also need this mixing bowl because it's going to be a little messy, so I suggest you don't use white bowls. Get a colored one like this, and then a spoon. I got them from Shein. If you want to buy one, you can also get it from TikTok shop. It's so affordable there. Now back to the ingredients. We will be needing some coffee. This is ground coffee. This is not the normal Nescafe. I suggest you do this max at least twice in a month and you come and thank me later. You will see your dark spots fading, your skin glowing. Back to the second ingredient, we will need some tomatoes, and then make sure you get the ripe one, please. We will get some turmeric. If you don't find the powder, you can also use the original turmeric. This is the powdered one. I also got this from Amazon. You can also find it in all the local beauty shops. You can also find it in all the Asian shops. It's so affordable. Now we will be needing some milk powder. Mine is finished, but if you don't have milk powder, you use normal milk. The first step is to extract the juice from the tomatoes. That is why I said you need the ripe ones. Yes, you just squeeze the juice. Though it doesn't matter if you get some seed in it, it's also equally good. Tomatoes is very high in vitamin C and it works so faster than all the vitamin C serums we have been buying so expensively. It is very fast and it's going to treat all your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation. It's going to fade your acne marks. I bet you come and thank me later. So the second ingredient is to add a tiny bit of the coffee. We are not going for too much, just a tiny bit, because what I'm making is just for a day or two. So you can just add a tiny bit as you saw. Don't use too much because it can be very messy. Coffee is an anti-aging substance and it's going to fade your wrinkles and make your skin so smooth and radiant. The third ingredient is to add your turmeric, and we all know how turmeric can be so messy. If you don't take care, it's going to stain all your clothes. So please, I got this brown bowl because of the turmeric. It can mess your fingers up, so get this turmeric. Also high in brightening your skin. It will make your skin glow and shiny. The last ingredient is to add some milk powder. You can see mine is finished. If you don't have milk powder, you can use normal milk. You can use this evaporated milk and it works equally fine. I got a tiny bit of the milk powder because I've been using it a lot for my face. I will be posting other recipes too, different masks that you can use for your face. Now the last part is to mix all ingredients together until it forms a paste. We want it to thicken a bit before we use it. Yes, keep mixing until you see everything has been dissolved. If you are someone who always break up during your period, try and use this mask few days before your period. It's going to clear your dark spots, make your skin smooth, clear your hyperpigmentation, and come and thank me later. So look at my face. I don't have any filter on my face. Look at how smooth and glowing my face is. Apply it thoroughly on your face. Please avoid using your fingers like I did. It turned my nails so yellowish. Make sure you get a brush or some facial cotton, something like that to apply. Please don't repeat my mistake. Apply it gently on your face, avoiding your eyes. Be careful so that it doesn't get into your eyes. You leave this mask on for about 10 minutes and wash it off. So this is after I washed it off. Look at how my face is glowing, but my nails, look at my nails. So please don't repeat my mistake. Do this twice a month and you come and thank me later. I'll be sharing other tips that I use to clear my dark spots. If you have watched me till now and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe for my other videos. Make sure you like and share, comment and subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye.